The 2025 Lucid Air Sapphire is the pinnacle of luxury and performance in the electric vehicle world. As the most powerful and advanced version of the Lucid Air lineup, the Sapphire is engineered to deliver breathtaking speed, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched luxury. It sets a new standard for EV sedans, rivaling top-tier performance cars while maintaining its identity as a spacious and elegant luxury vehicle. Key features and specifications. Powertrain and performance. Tri-motor powertrain, 3 electric motors, 2 at the rear and 1 at the front. Total output, 1,234 horsepower and 1,430 lb-ft of torque. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 1.89 seconds, under ideal conditions. 0 to 100 miles per hour, 3.87 seconds. Quarter mile, less than 9 seconds, making it one of the fastest sedans in the world. Top speed, electronically limited to 205 miles per hour. Performance features, active torque vectoring for precise handling. Upgraded suspension and braking systems. Wider Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires for enhanced grip. Carbon ceramic brakes for maximum stopping power. Battery and range. Battery capacity, equipped with Lucid's 118 kWh long-range battery. Range, estimated 427 miles on a single charge, depending on driving conditions and performance mode. Charging, supports ultra-fast DC fast charging up to 350 kilowatts, adding up to 300 miles in 20 minutes. Compatible with Lucid's Wonderbox charging system and public charging networks. Exterior design. Aerodynamics, sleek and futuristic design with a drag coefficient of 0.21, one of the lowest in the industry. Sapphire-specific aerodynamic enhancements, including a sportier rear diffuser and unique front splitter. Exclusive design elements, sapphire blue exterior paint, exclusive to the Sapphire trim. Subtle carbon fiber accents on the mirrors, rear spoiler, and side skirts. 20-inch front and 21-inch rear forged alloy wheels. Interior. Luxurious cabin, premium materials such as Alcantara, natural leather, and real metal trims. Sport seats with enhanced bolstering for comfort and support during spirited driving. Technology, 34-inch glass cockpit display, combines instrument cluster, infotainment, and navigation. Advanced Lucid UX software with seamless connectivity. Rear seat luxury upgrades, including optional executive seating. Sound system, standard 21-speaker Surreal Sound Pro system with 3D audio and noise-canceling technology. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. Lucid Dream Drive Pro, Level 2 plus semi-autonomous driving capabilities. Features include adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automated parking, and surround view cameras. LiDAR-equipped system for enhanced safety and driver assistance. Sustainability. Eco-friendly design, use of sustainable materials where possible. Zero tailpipe emissions as a fully electric vehicle. Produced in Lucid's Casa Grande, Arizona factory, which prioritizes sustainable manufacturing practices. Pricing and availability. Price, starting at $249,000, before incentives. Availability, limited production run, with pre-orders already open. Competition, rivals include the Tesla Model S Plaid, Porsche Taycan Turbo S, and Mercedes-AMG EQS. Why choose the 2025 Lucid Air Sapphire? Ultimate performance, combines hypercar performance with everyday usability. Class-leading range, offers both speed and long-distance capability, an unparalleled combination in the EV market. Luxury meets technology, a meticulously crafted interior paired with state-of-the-art tech features. Exclusivity, the Sapphire trim is a statement of exclusivity and innovation. Summary. The 2025 Lucid Air Sapphire redefines what an electric luxury sedan can achieve. It seamlessly blends breathtaking performance, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled luxury, making it one of the most desirable EVs on the market. Whether you're looking for thrilling speed, a long cruising range, or premium comfort, the Sapphire delivers on all fronts.